Thales of Miletus, the father of Greek geography and philosophy. Imagine walking through the bustling streets of ancient Miletus in Ionia, now modern-day Turkey. This was a time of early scientific curiosity, where myths and gods explained natural phenomena. Amid this setting emerged Thales of Miletus, a thinker who dared to seek logical, natural explanations for the world around him. Born around 624 BCE, Thales is considered one of the 7 sages of Greece, a title reserved for the wisest men of the ancient world. But beyond philosophy, Thales was a pioneer in geography and natural sciences, setting the stage for centuries of intellectual inquiry. Early life and influences. A journey beyond Miletus. Thales was born into a prosperous family, giving him access to education and travel. He is believed to have traveled extensively, especially to Egypt and Babylon, where he encountered advanced mathematical and astronomical knowledge. These travels shaped his worldview and introduced him to concepts that he would later expand upon. In Egypt, Thales learned about geometry and the Nile's flooding patterns. This sparked his interest in the natural phenomena of Earth, setting the foundation for his geographical thoughts. Key contributions to geography and geographical thought. Thales' contributions to geography were not in the form of modern maps or explicit geographical theories, but through foundational ideas that laid the groundwork for the discipline. Here's how. Understanding the Earth's shape. Thales is often credited with proposing that the Earth is a disk floating on water. While this idea might seem simplistic today, it was groundbreaking. Unlike mythological stories of the world, Thales' hypothesis was rooted in observation and logical reasoning. Why water? Thales believed water was the essential substance, arche, from which everything originated. Observing rivers, seas, and the lifeline of the Nile, he saw water as a unifying, life-giving force, a scientific step forward. Though incorrect by today's standards, Thales' disk theory was an early attempt to conceptualize the Earth's form, stepping away from purely mythological interpretations, mapping the world, the concept of navigation. Thales applied his knowledge to navigation, a vital part of geography. Mariners relied on his astronomical observations to guide their ships, using stars like the Ursa Minor for orientation, measuring distances. Thales is thought to have measured the distances between ports and important landmarks, laying the groundwork for practical geography. An eclipse prediction. Thales is famously credited with predicting a solar eclipse in 585 BCE. This prediction was a remarkable demonstration of applying astronomical knowledge to real-world events, a precursor to integrating science with geographical thought. 3 geometrical techniques and land surveying. One of Thales' major contributions was in applying geometry to solve practical problems. He used geometrical principles to measure the height of pyramids and calculate distances, skills crucial to cartography and land surveying. The shadow method. Thales measured a pyramid's height by comparing the length of its shadow to the shadow of a known object, using proportional relationships. This method would later influence geographical surveying techniques. Legacy and influence on future geographers. Thales' approach to understanding the world through observation and reasoning rather than mythology set a new paradigm. His work influenced later Greek thinkers, including Anaximander. A student of Thales, Anaximander created one of the earliest known maps of the world and proposed that Earth was cylindrical, surrounded by the stars. Pythagoras and Eratosthenes. These scholars expanded upon Thales' foundational ideas, refining concepts of Earth's shape and introducing more advanced geographical techniques. Thales' spirit of inquiry laid the groundwork for future explorers and geographers who sought to understand the world scientifically. Conclusion. Why Thales matters today. Thales of Miletus is not just an ancient name in textbooks. He represents the beginning of a shift toward rational scientific thought in geography. His ideas remind us of the importance of curiosity, observation, and logical thinking, values that continue to drive geographical exploration and discovery today. As modern geographers, we stand on the shoulders of thinkers like Thales. His journey teaches us that every discovery begins with a question, and that the search for answers is what drives humanity forward. What do you think of Thales' contributions? How did his early ideas shape the geographical concepts we rely on today? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. for more deep dives into the fascinating world of geography.